Hey YouTubers, Ryderin here, and today I'm going to tell you about a program called Convert Text to MP3 Pro. This is an excellent software that will convert, text to MP3. So first, I'll tell you where to get it, and that's at the Microsoft Store. So press your Start button and type Store, and let's type
Microsoft Store app.
And it will say Microsoft Store,
level 1.
and press Enter.
Microsoft Store.
And we'll wait for it to
Microsoft
open.
Store window.
This is an accessible video, so you will hear a screen reader. Tab to the search bar. It should be one tab.
5 suggestions.
All right, now type in convert text to MP3 and press enter.
5 suggestions. Convert text to MP3. Results updated. Convert text to MP3.
Once it says results updated, tab until you hear convert text to MP3 Pro.
All departments toggled. Convert text to speech MP3 Pro.
That's the one you want. Press enter.
Text. Open button. Open convert text to speech MP3 Pro.
All right, mine lands on the open button because I have already got it from the store and installed it. It should say install when you're there. As of this time right now, it is free. So make sure it's still free before you get it. If you need to purchase it, I believe it will say so instead of the open button. So I'm going to go ahead and close this out, and I will find the program on my desktop and open it up.
OBS 2.9.0. Folder view list. Convert text.
All right, so I'll press C.
C. Customize folder. Convert text to speech MP3.
All right, there we have convert text to MP3 Pro. I'm going to enter on it to open it.
Convert text to speech MP3 Pro. Convert text to speech MP3 Pro. Window. Edit blank.
All right, so you're going to open up into an edit box. Now what you're going to do here is either type what you want converted to MP3 or copy and paste from a website or a text file or anything you may have. Remember, the longer it is, the file, the more words there are, the longer it's going to take to convert it. So let's just type some things in here. Hello world, this is a text file I would like converted to MP3. Now, the next tab is to choose the voice. Now, NVDA and the current voice are the same, so I'm going to change it to Zira. These are the Microsoft voices that are included in this. So I'm going to change this to Zira so you can tell the difference.
Combo box Microsoft David English, United Microsoft Zira English, United
You also
States.
have the option of
Microsoft Mark English,
Microsoft
United
Mark.
Microsoft Z
We're going to make it Zira female so it's easier to tell the difference from the screen reader. Your next options are pitch and speed. You can change the speed and pitch. I recommend you preview it first.
Speed slider 1. Pitch slider 1.
So default is 1. The next option is preview to see what it sounds like. We'll go through the buttons and then we'll go back and try some things.
Preview button.
The next button is save as MP3.
Save as MP3 button.
This is where you can save the file to an MP3. Remember, the longer the file, the more words in it, the longer it's going to take to save, but it will save. Just give it time.
Open location button.
Open location opens the folder where it has saved the file to the MP3.
Translate button.
Translate button I have not used. If you need to use a translator, try it. I haven't used it.
Reset sliders button.
Reset sliders resets the speed and pitch back to the default.
Delete the associated audio file when deleting a recent history. Checkbox not checked.
All right, make sure this checkbox is unchecked because you have a history here. And if you delete your history, I don't have any because I haven't done anything yet, then it will also delete the audio file, and you don't want that to happen, so uncheck that box.
Edit Hello World.
We're back to Hello World. Now we're going to preview this. So we're going to tab to preview.
Combo box, speed slider 1, pitch slider 1, preview button.
All right, so I'm going to hit my space bar.
Space.
Hello
Preview
World. This is a text file I would like converted to MP3.
Space.
So I close that with a space. That was kind of slow, so I want to change the speed. So I'm going to shift tab to speed.
Pitch slider 1, speed slider 1.
And I'm going to right arrow.
2, 3.
3 is as fast as you can go, and it goes by 1, so 1, 2, 3. And
2, 1, 0, minus 1.
And minus 1 is the slowest you can go. So let's go back up to 3.
0, 1, 2, 3.
And tab to preview.
Pitch slider 1, preview button. Space.
Hello World. This is a text file I would like converted to MP3.
All right, that was very fast. Let's say I want to save that.
Space. Preview button.
I've decided I like that, and I'm going to tab
Save as MP3 button.
to save as MP3 and press the spacebar.
Space. Combo box Microsoft Zero English, United States, collapsed. New notification from Convert Text to Speech MP3, Pro, finished. MP3 created window.
All right, so you heard that this is associated with your announcements in Microsoft, and it announced that it was finished. I should say we're doing this in Windows 10. Probably works on Windows 11, I don't know. So now we have this made, and we're going to see, let me show you that history now after reset sliders.
Speed slider, pitch slide, preview, save as open location, translate button, reset sliders button.
First thing I'm going to do is reset the sliders back to where they were in case I want to use it again.
Space.
Now when we tab again,
List. UWP cog Bing image dot history not selected 1 of 1.
All right, this shows our history, and it's going to keep showing it. It does not read it. It won't, the screen reader won't read what this says, but it tells you the first sentence, the speed, the pitch, the voice, when it was created, and if you tab one more time,
Button.
it says button, and that just deletes the history. I haven't found a reason you need to do any of this with the history. So now we're going to tab back to the open location.
Delete the associate, edit hello world, combo box Microsoft speed slider 1, pitch slider 1, preview button, save as MP3 button, open location button.
And we're going to space on it.
Space. C. Users brand music text speech audios window. Items view list.
All right, I have
Audio
made a few of these and deleted a few of these, so here's how it names it.
Name split button collapse sort. A. H1 of. C. Status bar stat up band address search edit tree view items view list. Audio 2. This is some TE. .mp3 not selected 1 of 3.
So it tells you which audio number it is, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it gives you like the first, 12 characters? So that was the first one I made.
Audio 3. Hello world. T. .mp3 2 of 3.
That's the second one I made.
Audio 4. Hello world. T. .mp3 3 of 3.
Okay, that's the most recent one because it's the highest number. So I'm going to enter on that, and it's going to open it in VLC, and we can listen to it. That was a 56 kilobyte size file, so they're very small with that few text. But again, if you paste large text, it's going to be a larger file.
Hello world.
VLC.
This is a text file I would like converted to MP3. Hello world. This is a text file I would like converted to MP3. Hello world. This is a text file I would like converted to MP3.
Okay, so that is what we just recorded. So I think that covers everything. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, and I hope this helped you out.